Hey guys, this is Konstantinos, also known as Simply Digital, and this video is a wake-up call for you. I want you to realize something. TikTok is the greatest opportunity in the history of the internet. Never again. Attention, which is the main currency for marketing, wasn't cheaper, easier to attain. Attention, it's super underpriced on this platform called TikTok. It's an organic beast of growth. I've seen thousands of people growing into hundreds of thousands of followers within a few months. I grew in 2 million within a year, and all that with the power of video. All you gotta do is find your identity, build the consistency, simplify your messaging, understand the principles and the culture of the platform, and create videos for them, not for you. We can talk hours about how to create videos on TikTok, what are the principles that worked for me, how important is the intro of each video, because TikTok is a huge audition, you're being thrown into new audience every single day, not people that follow you, new audience, and you have the opportunity to show to them how great you are, how valuable you can be within seconds. Now, you might tell me, Konstantinos, that's great, but you know what? I'm camera shy. I hate this little monster right here. How can I deal with it? How can I be consistent when I'm really afraid to start creating videos? First of all, whether you're gonna believe it or not, I'm an introvert. I have faced the same fear, and I beat it. Now I create videos like it's nothing, and I'm pretty sure you can do the same. If you want to build a personal brand, if you want to leverage the power of social media and the amazing momentum of video right now, you don't really have a choice. And trust me, you're gonna learn to love it. So if you're into business, you're presenting stuff already, you're talking to people, you're getting into discovery calls, you're trying to sell. People ask you stuff and you try to educate them, to give them an answer, right? So nobody asks you to do anything different. You will continue doing that in front of a camera. Take a few deep breaths, start familiarizing yourself with your cell phone. You don't really need expensive equipment. This is an excuse. All I used myself was a ring light or a window and an average smartphone. So open your camera and start shooting your thoughts. Start answering the most frequently asked questions of your clients, of your audience. If you don't know those questions, search for them through a tool called Answer Socrates, or do a keyword research in Google. So open the camera, start talking like you talk with a friend. You don't have to post the video, but see yourself in it. Be human, don't talk like you are in the news and you're an anchorman. Be natural, be yourself with your tone of voice, and minimize distractions while you're recording. Something that worked for me to build consistency when I shoot videos was to keep my setup the same. I had my tripod ready at the same position. I created a similar mechanic when I built my intros, and that made it for me much easier without really having to think about anything. If you forget what you have to say, use a teleprompter. There are apps that enable you to watch the script while you shoot, but you're gonna see that through practice, you will not need any script. You're gonna open the camera and shoot your rare thoughts that most of the times are the best possible outcome. So trust me, you have it, it's within you, you need to face your fears, start shooting videos even if you're scared, and 6 months from now, you're gonna thank yourself for that. I'm looking forward to see your next TikTok video, and if you need feedback, DM me. I'll give you some personalized tips. See you soon. Start creating.